Hey everybody, it's Jammy, and Homer Simpson's Moon Waffle. It's one of the most iconic Simpsons recipes from a pretty awesome episode, and plenty of creators have made it. Hell, even I made it. But I feel everyone always deviates from the recipe a little bit. So I'm gonna do my best to stick to Homer's original recipe as best I can. Let's get started.
For the waffle batter, I'm using a standard mix. I'm gonna mix in milk, sugar, oil, and a single egg. Mix it until it's just combined. Lumps are totally okay here. Now we've got 3 ingredients: waffle batter, liquid smoke, and soft caramels. These are store-bought, of course. If they're wrapped in plastic, make sure you peel them first. And I'm gonna slice them into quarters so that they melt better. Warm up your waffle iron and spray it down. Then carefully add your caramels to the waffle iron. And pour on the batter. I'm gonna add too much, even though I shouldn't.
Liquid smoke.
Just a little. It's strong stuff. Dose it out in a cap, and then pour it on. Close the lid, and wait till the light goes green.
Or wait longer, cause 1, I like my waffles extra crispy, and 2, I want to make sure that the caramel goo in the bottom of the waffle maker cooks into the batter. When it's done, carefully take it out and let it cool for 5 minutes. The sugar at the bottom is gonna be molten, and I don't want anyone suffering fire damage, especially on your mouth.
Now all we gotta do is slap a stick of butter and fold it like a taco. It's done, and it's ready to eat.
Or slide the butter out
And substitute it with butter pecan ice cream. This is the only big deviation I'm gonna do. 1 big scoop. And honestly, I'm gonna have a small quarter of the waffle, because it's a lot of waffle.
Homer's moon waffles are strange, but they are totally yummy.
If you like this, check out my Tears of the Kingdom fried rice video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye!